Do we call it the start of a winter build? Alright, so today has been mostly about organization. So, got whittled down the pile here. Reorganized the shelf a bit. Got the engine hoist in here. Gotta clear out an air compressor, a few other things, and get the Miata in. The white S14 here is on dollies all the way around. So we're gonna start cracking on this thing here in the next little bit. Gonna try and get the exhaust in it. Have to get the diff back in it. Drive shaft, axles are under the toolbox. Brakes are next to the exhaust. Yeah, list goes on and on, but done driving for the year, so let's put the parts in this thing. Back on working the 240. Here we go. We got a bunch of crap cleaned out in the garage. Installed the S14 bumper on the Miata. Now it's time to get the exhaust manifold back in here. If I remember right, it was kind of a pain in the ass to get it tucked, but we're gonna pop it in there and see how well it does. Alright, got the manifold in here without a whole lot of trouble. Kind of zigged when I should have zagged, and I got it in there a lot easier than in the other car. Yeah, put a rag up here because I didn't want to scratch up the tubs, but yeah, we're gonna torque down some hardware and move on to the next step. Not everything is tight and torqued, but everything's kind of snugged up on there. You're gonna need, the combination of wrenches and extensions and whatever to get everything on there tight. But the fitment of this guy is nice. I wonder if the red car had the rack moved in some fashion, because the where the steering knuckle itself goes down, it's slightly in a different spot on this car. There's some better clearance than there was previously. So things are looking pretty good. Next up, we'll put the strut tower brace back on, and maybe we'll try and get the some vacuum hoses for like the brake booster on, and see if we can find that the clutch master cylinder and get the master and slave on before putting the wiring harness in this guy. Alright, we're all bolted in here. Now the fun part is going to be laying down here on the inside and getting the pedal connected on the inside, but we'll see if we get to that today or another day. For now, gonna get the strut tower bar tossed back in here quick and move on to the next thing. Got the door card in on this side. We got the driver's side one here. We're gonna pop on over there and get that one installed too. Getting some of the HVAC stuff in here. Have the little pass-through box in there, but you see the hole right here. You're gonna fish in the engine harness wires first. That way I don't have to try and like shove them behind the box here. This one's the blower motor. So got the hood popped. Gonna grab the harness, fish it through, and then we'll get that in. And we got the got the dashboard here, so we're gonna get that in next. Let's try and get some interior done on the car today. Got the dashboard all in. Fits nice. I have the vent for right here to grab yet, but let's grab the center stuff. Let's grab the cluster. Let's in the glove box. Let's put it all together. All right, now we're gonna do the clutch pedal. Yeah, it's fun. Get in here backwards and upside down, and there we go. So we got our clutch pedal here, and right here, you gotta pull. Right. There we go. We can see a little bit better. This pin is now connected to this rod. So when you press the clutch pedal, it all moves together. Sorry about my my finger on the side there, but we're working in a tight space here.